Ever wondered how local governments make homeownership more affordable? Housing bonds are the secret engine behind many first-time buyer programs. At their core, housing bonds are municipal bonds. They are debt securities issued by state or local housing finance agencies. States raise billions of dollars by selling these bonds to investors, then turn around and use that cash to subsidize affordable housing. The process is a cycle. Investors buy the bonds, the agency lends that money to homebuyers, and as the mortgages are paid, investors get their principal back. Not all bonds are the same. Some are specific to certain housing projects, while others rely on the full taxing power of the local government. This chart shows how agencies typically distribute these funds. A large portion goes toward building new affordable units where inventory is tight. Ultimately, these bonds serve as a bridge, making the monthly mortgage payment achievable for families who might otherwise be priced out. Understanding municipal debt helps you see the bigger picture of real estate markets. Make sure to subscribe for more money basics.